Stocks plateau on Wednesday as the Fed press conference flexed a little too hard. The S&P slipped 0.12%, the Dow dropped 0.38%, and the Russell 2000 pulled back 0.47%. Nasdaq managed a light pump, up 0.15%, thanks to some AI-driven semi-strength and a few pharma standouts. Yields moved up, 2-year up 7 basis points to 3.94%, the 10-year up 5 basis points to 4.37%, 30-year up 4 basis points to 4.90%. The dollar index pumped its strongest week since October. Oil climbed 1.68% to $70.37, the first close above 70 since June. Gold dropped 1.59%. Bitcoin futures slipped 0.7%. Breadth was weak. NYSE decliners beat advancers 2.3 to 1, and Nasdaq breadth came in 2.08 to 1. Total volume was average, with around 11.7 billion shares on the New York Stock Exchange and 16 on the Nasdaq. Felt more like a high rep deload than a heavy set. The Fed held rates at 4.25% to 4.5%, but Powell press conference tilted hawkish. Two dissents, Waller and Bowman, wanted a cut, but the market read Powell's tariff inflation comments as more sticky than transient. September rate cut odds dropped below 50%. Sector check, utilities led with a 0.69% gain. Tech held up thanks to semi names, while materials got wrecked, down nearly 2%, weighed by copper weakness in packaging stocks. Big gainers include Wingstop, FTAI, Peloton, and Humana. Laggards include Checkpoint, Old Dominion Freight, and Palo Alto Networks after a major acquisition. Macro recap. Q2 GDP came in hot at 3% versus 2% consensus. ADP payrolls beat. Core PCE rose 2.5% quarter over quarter, still sticky. Pending home sales slipped unexpectedly. Trump announced new tariffs on India, Brazil, and copper, but the market focused more on the uncertainty is over narrative than the pain of the new tax reps. What does this mean for your portfolio? The market is acting like it just finished a brutal set, holding steady but showing signs of fatigue. We've got a strong economic core, but inflation and trade politics are adding weights to the bar. If you're long-term focused, this is where discipline counts most. So stay focused, stay disciplined, stay profitable. I'll see you tomorrow morning. God bless.